Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. My name's Katie. If you're new here, please subscribe. Just went to Target and I got this whole bag full of goodies, so I thought I would do a little quick Target haul. I got these books. If you don't know already, I'm a home stager and interior designer here in San Diego, so I'm gonna start sharing a little bit more of my staging content. But in the dollar section, or whatever they call it, the bullseye section, they had these boxes for $3, and these would be so great to stage with because they're not heavy. So I got a couple of these to just like have staged. They had some with butterflies too, but I felt like they looked maybe a little bit too little girlish. But this one, like, how cool is this? I love them so much. It'd be great to have like on a coffee table too for like remote controls, or like even if you have like some valuables, even though it doesn't lock, like you could put like your cash in it and put this on a bookshelf. Like it's just good to like hide things. Such a good little secret thing. Then I have a stage coming up that has like a huge soaking tub, so I'm gonna get a glass. I actually have a glass jar and I'm gonna fill it with these bath bombs. I really wanted to try this new body wash. I did not know that Saltaire had body wash. I kind of hope I didn't choose the wrong scent because I've had this shampoo, the Santal Bloom, before, and I didn't like the shampoo at all. The description of this flavor sounded the best to me, so I got this one, but they had a bunch of really pretty colors and really pretty scents. Got this cute little pouch. I have a little addiction to like cute pouches. They have the purse, and I put it, when I was there, I scanned it and put it in my Target cart so I could think about it. But this little pouch is so cute, and they had the purse that matches, and I was like, oh my gosh, that would be so cute with light colored jeans and a white tee and like some little sandals on a summer day. I just thought it was so cute. And then this, I have no idea what I'm gonna do with it. It was also in the little bullseye section for $5. Like, I don't even know what this is. It says glass trinket box. It opens up. I was just like, that is really cute, and it looks super vintage. And then I got this. I'm gonna just put all the backup makeup. I'm gonna just put all the backup makeup that I don't use. I'm trying to cover my nails because I need to do my nails. I'm a working lady and my nails do not look cute right now. I'm gonna put all the makeup that I don't use on like an everyday basis in this and lay it in my vanity drawer so I can still see it, but it's like not in my everyday makeup bag. So I got that, and that is all I got. Well, I had to get some supplies because I'm on my period. I'm not gonna divulge that information because it doesn't really matter, and it's not close to me right now. Otherwise I would show you because I don't really care. But anyway, I spent less than $80, so I think that's pretty good. This is my little messy extra makeup area that I want to like kind of consolidate and get rid of these old bags because they're like probably 10 years old and really like don't really function that well anymore. And then I'll just place this cute little simple better bag there that I can reach out and grab whenever I want to use my special makeup. And I have some extra makeup in my makeup bag too, so I'm gonna get that all sorted right now. Okay, so this is my little pile of stuff I'm getting rid of. This is so old. It's like kind of hard to part with. And then I have two butter bronzers, and then this eyeshadow just doesn't, it's like chalky, and I don't even know what the brand. I got it at Target and I've used it a few times, but it's just really chalky. This is my everyday makeup bag, by the way. I'm gonna link this bag because it's one of those that like folds and like zips over. It's like my favorite makeup bag I've ever had. And I thought I would just run y'all through a little everyday, like what I wear for makeup, because I'm really obsessed with my makeup routine finally. I feel like I have comfortable sunscreen that doesn't burn the absolute crap out of my eyeballs, and my makeup looks natural and I don't feel it on my face. It feels really comfortable and looks really natural. So I wear this as a primer. This is like my 4th bottle. I love this stuff so much. I'm like, I can't even tell you. And then the Kosas foundation also has SPF in it. So I'm like, if I accidentally miss any SPF spots with that, I'm like kind of double covered here. So the Kosas foundation, I am beyond obsessed with. Favorite foundation I've ever had in my whole entire life. And I've tried a lot of even high-end ones, and I just love the Kosas. Same for this Merit blush in Cheeky. It is a cool tone, of almost like a bluish undertone, which sounds really weird, but it works so well on my skin because I have a lot of red undertones. I do not like looking at my hands right now. Like, let me try to hide them. I need to paint my nails. But yeah, this blush in Cheeky, I actually just ordered another one because I'm so in fear of running out of this one from Merit Beauty. Merit Beauty is like something special. I ordered this eyeshadow from them. It's not even an eyeshadow, but it's like a, oh my gosh, it's like a creamy type of, I want to stick my finger in it and show you, but I don't know what to do with the camera. I can't do it, but maybe this one I can. It's like a creamy type of like, I don't know. It's like a cream shadow, and it just is so, I'm going to swatch it on my hand and then show you. It's just like so flattering. It's almost like a color match, especially if you have light eyes. This like makes your eyes pop, and it stays on. It just looks so natural. I have the Merit highlighter, and I actually use this little angled brush from Real Techniques, and I just like dip it in the highlighter and then put it on. This is a very wet looking highlighter, so I don't wear it every day, but if I'm like going to dinner or something, I like it. And then these are my two favorite mascaras in the whole world. I've been wearing this Full and Soft one since high school. I've tried other ones, like I like this Lash Extend one here by e.l.f. a lot, but it irritates my eyes. And I like the little tiny brush one, the mini brush, if I want like a super natural mascara look, and then the regular one if I want my lashes to like really pop. This stuff is the best chapstick on earth. I'll link it below. It's from Amazon. The Laura Mercier setting powder. I like this powder, but I'm not 100% obsessed with it. I'll probably try something new. I actually ordered the Kosas pressed powder, but the shade is just a little too dark for me right now, so I'm saving it for summer. This e.l.f. blush is amazing. I love this. Sometimes I use it as a highlighter. It is very luminous. It just doesn't have a lot of color, so I'll like sometimes just put a few little pats of it over my Merit blush, but the Merit blush even is glowy. This is epic. Like this blush, I don't need another blush for the rest of my life because of that. Everything else is like pretty self-explanatory. I just have my little brushes that I like. I mean, they're mainly Real Techniques. I have some Sonia Kashuk eye brushes in here. I have this really good blush brush from Wet n Wild. It's like $2. I'll put a link for this one. It's really good. My sister recommended that to me. Oh, I love this eyebrow gel from e.l.f. It's not like super thick hold or anything, but it adds like some texture to your brows, keeps them in shape, and adds a little color. So I use that pretty much every day, mainly just to like comb my eyebrows out, but it does have a little hold. This beauty blender is from Amazon. I put it on my Instagram stories a lot. It to me is better than an actual beauty blender. It comes in like a pack of 2, and they're so cheap. It's like $6 for 2. I have them on Subscribe and Save, so I get even more of a discount. This is the e.l.f. ones. I also really like the e.l.f. beauty blenders. And then I just got this lipstick from Merit. I want to swatch it on my hands really quick. I just want to see like how this looks when it's swatched. It's so beautiful. Like their packaging just like kills me. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, see it? That is like a blue undertone. That's gonna look so beautiful on like my skin tone, I think. It's hard for me to find lipsticks that look good with my skin tone. And that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's like creamy, but like doesn't feel like sticky. Like I just can't get over the packaging too. It's just like beautiful. Hello everyone, I said I was going to post a little bit more staging content, so I'm going to show you this cute little tiny stage that I just finished here in Hillcrest, San Diego. After months and months of searching online and trying to make a decision, I finally decided on a bedroom rug that I absolutely love. Turns out it's the exact same as the one that I have in my living room, but it's just been really versatile, and I like how neutral it is, and it adds a lot of brightness to the space. So I went ahead and ordered that rug in an 8x10. It finally came in, and I'm gonna go ahead and get it installed under my bed. And my mattress is extremely heavy. It's a Stearns & Foster latex mattress. One of the best mattresses I've ever slept on in my whole entire life. Highly recommend. But moving it around has proven to be quite the chore. So I want to go ahead and get under my bed cleaned out. I want to vacuum it, and I don't want to put anything else under my bed because in feng shui it is bad to have anything under your bed. So I want to make sure under my bed is completely empty and completely clean, and get this rug laid down and get one step closer to having my bedroom completely finished. Just wanted to show you a little final glimpse of what this rug looks like in my bedroom. Ignore my Peloton. I have it in here temporarily because my family was visiting town and I had a little area set up for them out there where my Peloton usually is. So that will not be remaining in here. But yeah, here's the rug. I absolutely love it. It brightens up my room so much. It's just cozy and soft and beautiful. Surprisingly easy to clean. I have that little green machine upholstery cleaner from Amazon, and it cleans up really well if it gets any stains on it. I actually spilled like bright orange buffalo sauce on the one I have in my living room the other day, and it just cleaned right out. So I was really impressed with that. I'm going to show you a little sneak peek of this desk I have over here, but I am not ready to talk about that on YouTube yet. I want to do like a full beautiful desk reveal, and this is not it. This is a CB2 resin desk. It's the desk of my dreams. I got it secondhand on OfferUp, and it is absolutely stunning. So my room is coming together, and I'm really excited about it. I'm really tired right now, and I don't have on any makeup, and my skin has seen better days. I just wanted to get on here for like just two really quick little seconds and just talk about grief for a second. If you guys have been watching my channel for a long time, then you probably remember my cat Sally. And I had to put her down a couple of years ago, and it's something that I really never talked to anyone. I think that most of the people in my life think that It's not something that I think about every single day because it's too heavy to talk about. And the thing about it is that it has been a while. The thing about it is it has been a couple of years, and there's like a huge part of me. The thing about it is it has been a while, and there's a huge part of me that feels kind of obligated to be. There's like this huge sense of obligation that I feel from society that makes me feel this pressure to be okay by now. And the thing about it is, in so many areas of my life, I am okay. But in that area, that like dark tunnel of grief, I'm still not okay. Obviously, this is kind of an emotional thing for me to talk about, but the reason that I am even talking about it is because I don't hear anyone else talking about it. And I've followed YouTubers, certain YouTubers for like years of their life. They're still posting on YouTube, like Estee or like Julia and Hunter Havens. And they're amazing. And like other people that I can't even think of right now that have lost pets, and like Shayla Quinn. And I just wonder, like, I just sometimes wish that I could I just wonder if they're still feeling this way, like, and not just only them, but people that have like their soulmate creature that they had like through their 20s and 30s, and they lose them. And I'm just like, are you still grieving every day too? Like, are you still thinking about them? So anyway, I just think that there's like some comfort in the community of people that have experienced this and get it and understand that it's super hard. And yes, it was an animal, but it's still a very significant loss, and it's still really hard. And I just want to acknowledge that, like, for myself. And I also want to acknowledge that for other people that like probably feel the same way I do, but either it's too hard to like verbalize, or they're like shoving it down because society tells us that like you have 2 seconds to grieve and then you're supposed to move on. I don't know. I've been wanting to talk about that on my YouTube channel for a while. And I just want to let you all know, if you've been here from the beginning, that it's still just as hard now as it was then. And it probably always will be. A little bit of vulnerability, I guess. On that note, I am going to end this video on a very sad note. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know if you're interested in the staging content. I would love to share a little bit more of what that looks like. A lot of times it's like really chaotic and hectic. It's easy to show the end result that looks like beautiful and effortless and whatever, but there's like a lot of moving parts and a lot of work that goes into it, and I'm still figuring out how to run a business as I go because I didn't go to school for that. I just like making houses look pretty, so at the end of the day that's what I'm doing. But yeah, if you're interested in that kind of stuff, I'll keep sharing it, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.